How to use the Booking.com mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're on the go and trying to book a stay quickly, then Booking.com application can make your life a lot easier. First of all, go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the Booking.com application on your smartphone. Once you do, click open the app and you'll come across this homepage. From the home screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the sign in button. Tap on sign in or register at the top and then go ahead and choose one of the sign in methods. You can sign in or sign up using email, Google account, or Facebook. You can also go ahead and sign in using your Apple ID. Choose any one method and follow through the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be signing up right now. Simply go fill in all of your information in the correct text boxes. For example, write down your email address and verify your email with verification codes. The verification code will be sent to you via email, so go ahead and copy that code and paste it inside the Booking.com application sign-in page. You can also manually write it down. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign into your Booking.com account or create an account for Booking.com. Once you're inside the homepage of Booking.com, you can now starting for a place to stay. Go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom left corner from the home screen. Now, enter your destination in the Enter Destination tab at the top. After you do that, you'll be able to see the search results from where you can go ahead and select your booking. Choose the hotels according to your preference and click on it. You'll then come across its details page. Here, you can select your check-in and check-out date and then search for the room type, select the number of rooms you want, select the number of guests, and click apply. Now it will show you the prices for the nights that you've chosen. From here, you can go ahead and select the type of room. After you are done, you'll get to reserve room for yourself. Then, on the next page, you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, the purpose for your trip, etc. Once you're done filling in the details, click on Next Step at the bottom. Once you go ahead and enter your details, you'll then need to choose your payment method, review everything carefully, and tap on Confirm Booking. And that's how you can easily complete your booking in Booking.com. Using the Booking.com app is actually pretty simple once you try it a couple of times. Take your time exploring options, read reviews, and don't rush your booking. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.